So let me show you how to fix Bluetooth connectivity issues you might have with the Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So if you go into settings and then go to Bluetooth, the easiest way to fix most issues with Bluetooth is to simply turn Bluetooth off, give it like 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. And then you can now try and connect that device you were connecting. Now, in case you still have problems connecting that device, then you might want to check if it's already been paired to your phone before, and then you can unpair it. Now, another thing you could do is to go to additional settings, and then you can check out some of these Bluetooth settings, and maybe one of them is affecting your connectivity. So for instance, you have pair compatible devices, you might have this turned off, and that's why you might be having problems connecting normal things like Bluetooth speakers and Bluetooth headphones. And then if you have a problem with your Bluetooth where your ringtones are coming through your headphones and maybe blasting in your ear, you can turn this feature off so that you don't allow your phone's ringtones through your headphones. And then you can check the Bluetooth block list. You might have blocked specific devices from connecting to your phone's Bluetooth, and maybe you forgot and you're trying to reconnect and you cannot connect. You can check out the block list and see if you have any devices there and remove them. And then you can also check show Bluetooth devices without names. All right. So this feature, in case you have a Bluetooth device you're trying to connect to, and your phone is not able to pick up the name, or rather the Bluetooth name of that device, then it's not going to show up under available devices. So you might want to try and turn that on so that as your phone is scanning for Bluetooth devices, it will be able to pick up even Bluetooth devices that do not have Bluetooth names. All right. And then this other last thing, which keeps your Bluetooth on. So you might be turning off Bluetooth from here, and once you turn it off, you come back after a few hours or maybe the next day and your Bluetooth is on. Now, if you disable this, that will stop Bluetooth from automatically turning itself on. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.